Environmental Futures explores the potential paths the Earth may take in response to current environmental challenges. Scientists have developed climate scenarios that project different futures based on greenhouse gas concentrations, showing potential impacts on ecosystems, societies, and economies. These scenarios, such as those from the IPCC, reveal that without intervention, rising temperatures will increase extreme weather events, disrupt food systems, and accelerate biodiversity loss. Understanding these projections helps us recognize the urgency of addressing root causes rather than merely responding to symptoms. Human civilization's environmental choices in the present will shape the world for decades and centuries ahead. Consider how different approaches to land use affect outcomes. Conservation efforts that protect and restore natural habitats can preserve biodiversity and carbon sinks, while continued deforestation contributes to species extinction and increased emissions. Similarly, human agricultural practices can either deplete soil and water resources or rebuild them through regenerative methods. Energy systems can continue to emit greenhouse gases or transition to renewable sources that reduce carbon footprints. Each decision point creates branches toward different possible futures. This exploration of environmental futures connects to issues of resource depletion, biodiversity preservation, and climate adaptation. Freshwater access becomes increasingly critical as changing precipitation patterns and shifting populations strain available supplies. Biodiversity loss threatens ecosystem services upon which human societies depend, from pollination to natural flood protection. And climate adaptation requires communities to prepare for changing conditions by redesigning infrastructure and modifying agricultural practices. In the business sector, environmental futures are being shaped by companies that align their strategies with climate projections. For example, IKEA has committed to becoming climate positive by 2030, redesigning products for circularity, extending product life cycles, and transitioning to renewable and recycled materials. Many corporations are transforming their supply chain management, creating transparent systems that verify sustainable practices at each step, from raw material sourcing to product delivery. These approaches help businesses reduce environmental impacts while maintaining accountability throughout their operations. The business response to climate scenarios connects with three key areas of innovation. First, investment in renewable energy allows companies to reduce their carbon footprints while hedging against future fossil fuel regulations. Second, green finance and sustainable investing. Direct capital toward enterprises focused on environmental solutions, creating market incentives for ecological responsibility. Third, circular economy models encourage designing products for reuse and recycling, minimizing waste and resource depletion. Together, these approaches demonstrate how businesses can integrate climate awareness into their core strategies, aligning financial goals with planetary health in ways that create long-term value for shareholders and society.